Hello and welcome to another video of Excel Academy. In this video, I will be telling you recognition to company secretaries in employment. We have already done some videos about the latest developments and the recent recognition which company secretary profession has received. You can look at the link in the description below. So coming to recognition of company secretary in employment. So recognition to company secretaries is regarding the certification of disclosure requirements made for large companies for fundraising by issuance of securities. So when a large company, a big corporate is going for any issue of securities, now company secretaries are involved in that, especially the ones who are in employment, and this is regarding the certification of the disclosure. So now let us try to understand some of the background relating to this concept. The Government of India in the Union Budget of 2018-19 made one announcement. So what was that announcement? So the government said the SEBI will also consider mandating beginning with large corporates to meet about 1/4 of their financing needs from debt market. So the government told that large corporates, first they are going to tell large corporates to start taking money from the debt market and not just equity market. So this was the announcement. So relating to this, there are many amendments and many developments. Since then, SEBI has been working on the 2018 budget announcement, and now large corporates, so not every company, please remember only large corporates, they have to raise 25% of their financing from corporate bond market. So they should not depend only on the bank, or they should not depend only on equity. They should go for corporate bond market, and this is the government mandate. So SEBI has been working on it. So after that, SEBI has come with the new guidelines. And what is this guidelines? So SEBI has given a circular. See, I have even given the circular number because some student asked what is the proof. See, for everything we are making with proof. So on 26th November 2018, they gave detailed guidelines for fundraising by issuance of debt securities for LC, that is large corporates. So that is only for large corporates. So what does these guidelines do? These guidelines basically give a detailed framework to be followed by a large corporate for fundraising in debt securities. So broadly we can say equity and debt. They are the two broad ways for any company to raise the finance. See, money is the most important and the capital is required to do business. But when we say capital, it can be equity capital or debt capital. So loan, debt is basically like loan for a simple understanding. So further, these guidelines say large corporate should make certain disclosures to the stock exchanges where the securities is listed. So this is mainly starting with large corporates. Future they may go for other corporates also, but now they have to give disclosure about the debt securities which they have issued. So SEBI, we have to be very happy as a student of company secretary, member of ICSI. SEBI has recognized the significant role played by company secretary as a corporate professional. We are no more just simple company secretary making minutes, but a governance professional, and SEBI has been one of the first institutions to recognize and respect our profession of company secretaries. So now what has happened? After this government announcement, SEBI has gone back and they have made some guidelines. Now disclosures which are made by large corporates, that is to the stock exchanges, that is when they go for issue of debt securities, that disclosure has to be certified by the company secretary and chief financial officer of the large corporate. So this is a very, very good move. It shows how much respect SEBI has in our profession of company secretary. So especially all the people who are in employment, this is added responsibility and more respect for you. Yes, risk is also more, but more respect and responsibility will give you a better position and status in the corporate. So that is the video relating to our new guidelines, which is for the company secretaries recognition in employment. I hope you liked this video. For more such videos, subscribe to Excel Academy, your one-stop solution for company secretary course.